Hey guys, Matt from Wolverine X4R Spec Nation here. As I said before, we're going to be doing a install video on the glass windshield with wiper kit and also the full hard cab from Yamaha. So I just want to show you guys, I got the windshield in here. I'm going to be installing that first. Looks pretty stout, looks pretty well made. Got a pretty cool setup with the switches there for the wiper and the sprayer to clean the window off. Looks like there's a tank. They gave you a couple side pieces. Looks fairly simple, so I'm going to try to tackle this first, go through the instructions, see how they want to mount it, and I'll check back in and let you guys know how it went. Okay guys, I got the Yamaha windshield kit here. I went through the first couple steps and got some stuff installed and just kind of wanted to run through it. Basically, the dash here is held in place. They call it the firewall by about 5 screws up top here and then 4 on the bottom. This just pops out real easy. And then what you install these windshield braces, there's 2 10mm bolts that hold these down. The holes are already there. It's pretty self-explanatory. The lip goes towards the machine. There's 2 of those, so you get them installed. Then get the wiring harness, and there's actually 5, which is pretty cool, accessory pre-powered plugs here. You plug one end into here for the harness for the windshield wiper. The long part goes underneath the dash. You just leave it hang, and the other side gets plugged into the pump on the washer unit. It fits real nice. There's 2 bolts you got to pull out to put the tank in, and then they give you a washer hose that you route also through the firewall and let hang. So I just wanted to run through that real quick, and then I'll pick up from here once I get this firewall bolted back up. Okay guys, so after you get the firewall buttoned up, basically what you do is you have on the driver's side, you have the wiring harness that goes to plug into the actual windshield wiper. So basically there's a corner cut out. I don't know if you can see here or not, but there's a corner cut out. So make sure you run your wire up through that corner, basically alongside the post. And it actually fits behind these side pieces that they give you that mount on here. You put a couple rubbers on the bottom, so it's a pretty good seal, and then it's held in place by 2 bolts. I just have the bottom ones in right here that are pre-drilled into the roll cage, one there and one at the top. So we got that all set up, and there's actually a channel built into the roof that you can run the wires through. It makes it real nice and clean, let them hang. So basically next I'm going to set the windshield in, plug everything in, and we should be good to go and bolt the windshield in. There's actually four bolts on each side and like a spacer bracket that goes in, so it's pretty self-explanatory on that. So far everything's fit real smooth and clean, and everything seems pretty well thought out. So I'm excited to get the windshield in and try it out. Okay, so the windshield's in, and pretty impressed with it. It's pretty heavy duty, high quality, fits real good. Like I said, there's 4 bolts that come off the windshield, and you put the nuts, lock nuts in the spacers they give you in top and bottom on both sides. Make sure you loosen the front roof clamps to be able to slide the windshield up in there. There's a nice rubber on the top that seals against the roof, and also a rubber on the bottom that seals against the cowl here. But it's pretty well sealed and pretty high quality actually. It just plugs right in. I hit the plug up in here, and the hose for the windshield washer also is over here. So pretty sweet. The switches light up. There's 2 speeds on the wiper. It's low, that's high, and then here's the washer. Puts out a good bit of fluid, which is pretty sweet. So also the tank holds almost a gallon of fluid, so that's a good bit. Should be plenty to get you through a day of riding. So I'm pretty excited. It definitely changed the look and feel of the X4. Pretty neat. Can't wait to get the rest of the cab on.